Hi guys, we're going to have a go at this Khun Phaen, I think it's pronounced. I've tried Google, and that's how it sounds like it's pronounced to me, Khun Phaen. Just4Fun did the video on it, so I'll put a link to his video in my video description, so you can actually check it out. He talks you through it. I'm going to see if I can work my way through it. This is how he's got it to start with. 2 vertical long pieces, top in each corner, square bit in the middle, that cross piece there, and then the 4 small squares there. And the idea is to get that piece to slide out through the slot at the bottom here. I looked it up. Khun Phaen seems to translate to get blood. That one's normally coloured red, so I think it's get the red one out. I think that's what it's about. That's just me putting my interpretation on it. Anyway, that's how we start. So that one's going to go over there. And there. Okay, that's the first move. Move that one over to there. Those up there. That one over there. Down to there. Next, we want to go over there. Those 2 up. Those 2 across. Okay, now what? That one comes down there. That one comes over there. Those 2 come over there. Okay. Have I missed anything? No, I haven't missed anything. Ah, right, that's going to come down there. That's going to go over there. That's going to go up there. And those 2 come over to there. Then up there, that one over to there, that one down there, that one there, those over there. That one up there, that, like that, over to there, down, that across, that up to there, that one over there, that one down there, that one down there, that one there, up. Right, now we've got to fiddle around with these. How are we going to do that? That one there, 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 and there. That one there, that one there. Yeah. Down there, that one there. 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 Okay. And there. Those two over. One like that. That over there. No, hang on. Gone wrong there. Oh no, that's right. Okay. That one can come over there. That one can go up there. That one can go up there. Those two can go over there. That one can come down. That one, that one, that one, that one there. That comes over there. And out we come. Right. And just in case you think I worked that out, I looked very carefully at Just4Fun's video and drew myself the plan. So if you want to know how to do it, you'll have to find his video. Or just watch mine very slowly, I suppose. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.